You wake up calm until pressure hits. Then your chest tightens, your thoughts scatter, simple actions feel heavy. You prepared for this moment, yet when eyes watch you, your mind runs. This panic feels sudden, it is not random. The enemy is comfort conditioning. Your brain learned safety from ease, no resistance, no delay. No threat. When pressure appears, your nervous system reads danger. It reacts before thought begins. Samurai training focused on exposure. Calm under threat was trained daily, not through motivation, through repetition under stress. They trained the body first. The mind followed. Daily voluntary discomfort. One hard task, same time each day. No escape. Slow breathing under tension. Inhale 4 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Keep stress present. Finish despite discomfort. No optimizing. No adjusting. Continuity over results. Pressure stops feeling foreign. Your body stays steady. Thoughts slow. Action replaces hesitation. You no longer identify as someone who panics. You move forward while others freeze. Subscribe and comment to declare your commitment.